students, welcome to the maths class. In the previous class, we have learned that linear pair, adjacent angles. So today, a bit highlight of the previous class. Any line stands on other line, any line standing on other line, that is A, B, and this is C, then sum of these two angles is 180 degree. That is called linear pair. If this is x and this is y, therefore x plus y will be 180 degree. So origin, this is linear pair that we have learned before. If two lines are parallel, AB and CD, these two lines are parallel, cutting by one transversal, and if this is x and this is y, z. So here in this case, x and y will be equal. These two angles are called alternate angles. Angle x is equal to angle y. These are called alternate angles. Alternate angles. X plus y, x plus z. X plus z, sum of these two angles going to be 180 degree. That is called sum of two co-interior angles. X plus z is going to be 180 degree. These two angles are called co-interior angles. So sum of two co-interior angles is equal to 180 degree. So this angle x and y, these two angles are called alternate angles. If this is P, then P and y will be equal. These two angles are called corresponding angles. Angle P is going to be equal to y. These two angles are called corresponding angles. So these are the rules that we need to remember in solving the questions. These are very, very useful. Read question number 1. In the given figure, find the value of x and y and then show that AB parallel to CD. So AB parallel to CD, that we can say only when we can show two alternate angles are equal, if not corresponding angles are equal. So if two alternate angles are equal, then lines will be parallel. If not, two corresponding angles if equal, then the lines also going to be parallel. So here x and that 50 degree, if we add together, then we will get 180 degree, because these two angles are called linear pair. X plus 50 is equal to 180 degree. Region that we all know, these two angles, sum of two angles 180 degree. So here these two adjacent angles, if we add and get 180 degree, that is called linear pair. Linear pair. Therefore the value for x is 180 degree, that 50 transferring to the right side, getting minus. Therefore the value for x is 130 degree. Now x is ready. X and y, these two will be equal. And here y is equal to 130. These two angles are also vertically opposite angles are equal. And y is equal to 130 degree. Because these are called vertically opposite angles. Opposite angles. Two lines intersecting at one point, then vertically opposite angles are equal. Therefore y is equal to 130 degree. So here we are finding the value for x and value for y. These two values are equal. So x is equal to y. Therefore x is equal to y. Both are equal to 130 degree. Now since x and y, these two are equal, which are called alternate angles, then alternate angles are equal, then lines going to be parallel. Therefore AB is parallel to CD region, since alternate angles are equal. since alternate angles are equal. Since alternate angles are equal, so lines are parallel. Let's move to question number 2. Question number 2. Here AB parallel to CD, parallel to EF. Three lines are parallel. AB, CD, EF. Three lines are parallel. AB, CD, and EF. These three lines are parallel, cutting by one transversal. So given here X, this is Y, and this side is Z. So given here AB parallel to CD, which is also parallel to EF, and Y is to Z is equal to 3:7. To find X, find X. Then name this point. This angle we are taking as P. This angle we have taken as P. Then here Y plus Z is equal to 3:7. From there we will start. So here P and Z, these two will be equal because these two angles are called corresponding angles. So angle P, P plus Z will be 180 degree. Again Y plus Z, Y is to Z is given 3:7. From there one relation between Y and Z we will get it. Y is to Z is equal to 3:7. Therefore the value Y by Z is 3/7. Therefore the value for Y will be that Z multiplying crosswise, then 3Z by 7. This is the value for Y. Cross multiplication is done. But here P equal to Z. P is equal to Z. These two angles are called corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are equal. But Y plus P will be 180 degree because linear pair. Pair means you know that is two angles. Then Y plus P. This line is standing on this line, so sum of these two angles is going to be 180 degree, being linear pair. But Y plus P is equal to 180 degree. So this is linear pair. The value of P we are putting here, that is Z. Then Y plus for P, Z is written is 180 degree. The value of Y here, value of Y 3Z by 7 to place here. This is 3Z by 7 plus Z is equal to 180 degree. LCM is 7, therefore 3z plus 7 into z, 7z is equal to 180 degree, therefore 7z plus 3z, 10z is equal to 180 into that 7 multiplying crosswise into 7. Therefore z is equal to 180 into 7 divided by 10. 0, 0 cut. Therefore the value for z is equal to 7, 8 is 56, 5, 7, 1 is 7 plus 5, 12, 126 degree. Z and P equal. So Z and P, these two are equal. Therefore P is equal to Z, which is equal to 126. That already you have written before. Then P and Z equal being corresponding angles. Now our work is to find out the value of X. X and P, these two will be equal because these two angles are called alternate angles. That is why angle P taking out. But P is equal to X. X is equal to P, right? Because X is unknown. X is unknown. Unknown one always to be written first and then right side known part. So X is equal to P. These two angles are called corresponding alternate angles. These two angles are called alternate angles. So value of P already we have got, that is 126. So it was to find in this question, find the value of X. So already we have obtained. So let's move to the next question, question number 3. Question number 3. Figure is given two parallel lines. One is perpendicular. Perpendicular line EF. This is the line AB and this is CD. Joining EG. Now our question is to find out, given here GED given 126, given AB parallel to CD and EF perpendicular to CD and GED 126. Angle GED is 126 degree. To find three angles there, that is angle AGE, AGE, GEF, GEF and angle FGE. So these three angles we need to find out. So first we need to see the figure. So angle GED 126. GED. This is the angle. This angle completely it is given 126. And to find AGE, AGE, this angle to find out GEF, GEF, this inner angle, and FGE, FGE, this is also asked. So these three questions asked here. So here we are putting the question mark. Seeing that question mark, we will understand that these are the things that we have to take out. So we can move from, we can start from here. GED given 126. From there 90 degree if we cut off, we will get GEF, because this is perpendicular. EF perpendicular means this is 90 degree. Then GED total from here till this much 126. Then from 126 90 degree cutting off, then we will get the measure of angle GEF. And AGE, these two lines parallel cutting by this transversal, then these two angles are equal because these two angles are called alternate angles. Then AGE will be equal to GED, which is 126. Angle AGE, this is written AGE, this angle will be equal to this angle because these two angles are called alternate angles. GED, GED, these two angles are called alternate angles. Then GED is given 126 degree. So that is the measure for AGE. Now here GEF, to get this angle, total is 126. From there 90 degree cutting off means this GEF will come out. Then angle GEF, angle GEF is equal to, from 126 minus this 90 degree, by showing this mark is given, 90 degree mark is shown here, perpendicular mark is shown there. Then this is 90 degree cut off, so it is 6, 9 plus 3, 12. This is 36. Now FGE, this angle is required. But sum of these two angles going to be 180 degree because it is linear pair. AGE we have got 126. Then FGE plus 126 going to be 180 degree. But 126 plus angle FGE is equal to 180 degree. These two angles are called linear pair. Linear pair. Now that 126, if we transfer to the right hand side, then we will get FGE is equal to that 126 transferring to the right side. If it is changing side, sign also will be changed. Then 180 degree minus 126. Then 6 plus 14, 1 carrying 3, 8 minus 3 is 5, 1 minus 1 0, this is 54 degree. Now here three angles we were given to find, 1, 2, 3, all these angles are known, so it is completed here. Let's move.